Ada, what color is that?
Blue.
Good job. What color is this?
Because yellow.
Good job. What color is this?
Red.
Good job. What color is this?
Because purple.
Good job. What color is this?
Green.
Good job. So we are going to be filling the bottles with water. Then we'll put our colors inside. Okay? So we have our water here. Filling it. Okay. Filling the other bottle. Okay. Yes, we're going to put colors inside.
Yes, we're going to put colors inside.
Yes, we're putting colors inside.
Yes, then we're going to shake it.
Then we'll shake it.
Yes.
Okay?
We're going to shake it again.
Then we'll have colored waters. And now we are going to have colored waters. We'll have colored waters, okay? Okay? So what color do you want to put first? Pick a color.
Red.
Good job. You're going to have red water. So you see? Put red inside this bottle.
Yes.
Here. That's okay. Oh, good job.
I use yellow.
Okay. Put yellow inside another bottle. Good job. That's okay.
I use red.
No, you already used red. Let's try another color.
Yeah. Okay. I use blue.
Blue. Good.
Is that using blue?
Yes, she's using blue. Let me open it for you. Yes, I'm opening it for her. Good job. That's blue.
Purple.
Purple.
I'm putting purple.
Good job. So let's use green.
Yes.
Good job.
Yes, that's enough.
So now we are going to shake the can and see. See? Let's shake the can.
Yes.
Careful. Whoa, we have green water. See? What color is this?
Green.
Good job. See? Let's shake this bottle.
Mommy, it's my turn.
Careful. Whoa, we have red water. What color is this?
Red.
Good job. Let's shake this bottle.
Yes.
Careful. Careful. See? Wait, careful.
Let's shake this paper.
What color is this?
Yellow.
No, what color is this?
Blue.
Good job. Let's shake this one. Careful. Oops. What color is this?
Purple.
Good job. And let's shake this one.
Yellow.
Shake it.
Water's getting me.
Careful. What color is this?
Yellow.
Good job. So let's count. What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Purple.
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Good. What color is this?
Red.
Good. What color is this?
Green.
Good job.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and join our invention. See you guys on our next video. Stay curious. Stay fun. Bye from Oli and Ada.